Well, here we are, we're in the holiday season and we're in the spirit to buy, guys, for our family, for our friends. And I have noticed a major uptick in fake merchandise this year. Now, fake merchandise has been sold around the holidays for many, many years. Back in the 90s, it used to be fake purses, fake watches, fake clothes. And then in the late 90s, early 2000s, they started doing fake baseball cards and all that. Well, now the big uptick is fake electronics. I'm gonna share with you in today's video what to look for so you don't make that same mistake. Let's go. All right, so what am I talking about? Well, electronic devices has gotten more and more expensive over time, and people are trying to save a few bucks for the holidays. And so what are they doing? They're going on places like Facebook Marketplace, Alibaba, Temu, all of these third-party sites, these sites that have all kinds of merchandise super, super cheap. So why are they so cheap? So I actually decided to go out and look for something that I've really enjoyed, my family's enjoyed, is these Apple AirPod Maxes. They make the best, in my opinion, the best headphones in the market. And I review a lot of headphones, as you can see here on this channel. In fact, I just finished filming all of these in a massive sale because they're doing Black Friday blowouts on a bunch of headphones, cheaper headphones. But these are $549. This is an older model you can get on Amazon for $399 right now, but I found these for just $80. Now, they were online on a website called DHgate, which is well known for selling fake purses on. In fact, many, many people do videos on fake purses and where to get them, where you could get all kinds of name brand Louis and all that for dirt cheap. DHgate's where you buy those, guys. And this came off of there. And so I went ahead and ordered it. It arrived. It took about 2.5 weeks to get, which is about normal from I think it came from China. And then as soon as I got them, first thing I did was I scanned the barcode. So this is a real pair and this is a fake pair, guys. So let me just show you really quick what to look for. $549, $80. Okay. So I looked at the barcode and I scanned it. It's the exact same code, guys. It's the exact same code. So people on Marketplace are literally selling the heck out of these for $250 all over Marketplace. And they cost them $80, so they're making a profit on you guys. So we're gonna check out the quality and see if it's actually good, because I don't mind selling or sharing headphones that are, you know, kind of a generic brand. I don't have any examples right here, but a generic brand headphone is fine, no big deal. But if you're pretending to be something that you're not, expecting the quality to be the same, then I don't like that at all, because you're fooling people and I hate that. All right, so let's talk about these two here. So as you can tell, the box is smaller, but if you don't have a real one, you don't know the difference, but it is smaller. Let's open it up. All right, so if you open up these right here, I'll just open up the top really quickly and then I'll show you how it comes when you first get each one. Again, right now these are $399 and these are $80, okay? So this is what it looks like when you open it. This is the first sign. So if you're buying it in person, this is what you look for. Okay, the real ones are gonna have a molded design for the headphones themselves. The fake ones, it's gonna be in like a bubble wrap and just kind of loose in the box. Weight, significantly different. But this is your first sign. If you buy it from Marketplace, make sure that it is opened and you can look inside and tell the difference, because if you scan the code, it's going to show that it's real. Okay, so that's what you're looking for. I mean, even the back kind of looks the same. They did a pretty good job. Now, I don't have a white pair like this here, but they do still sell these silver ones with the white headband on the website for $399, so you can kind of compare apples to apples, pardon the pun, but pretty much the same thing. So right here, this is supposed to be these. Clearly not, right off the bat. All right, so let's open it up. First thing you will notice on these, and I'm just using headphones as an example today, but there's a lot of fake stuff out there, guys. If you want to see more stuff that I caught, let me know. So let's go ahead and just move this out of the way, and we'll go over the headphones right now and what to look for. Okay, weight, obviously, big difference. Okay, strap. That's another thing if you are looking at it. Strap. So this is a magnetic strap. So these come out, and this magnetically holds on. So as you can see, it's just magnetic, okay? Really heavy duty, and then you can charge right through here with traditional lightning cable, okay? This one snaps, actually has snaps. It's not magnetic, very flimsy and light, and you charge it with a USB-C. So you automatically know that's not real. Now the newest ones come with USB-C port, the newest ones that they have on their website, but lightning cable for the exact same model as this. All right, so right off the bat, cheap, heavy duty, metallic, nice case. Okay, Second thing, they look about the same, right? Just from camera view, they look kind of the same. I've got the covers on this still. The pads, big difference. Okay, so this is a slippery foam. It's just foam. This is a memory foam. You can kind of see it go down. Way different in that. This side, this is metal. This is plastic. Can you hear that? Big difference. This is a mesh, whereas this is just a kind of got some holes, you know. I'm just doing this video, guys, just to let you know that there's a lot of fakes out there. I'm just using this as an example, guys. You know, I just don't want you to make the same mistakes that a lot of people are making. Because $80 for these, this is a $5 pair of headphones. They don't sound good at all. And I did test the two together. This is $549 for a reason. It's got the best bass response of any headphones I've ever tested. It's got the best noise canceling, so I can use these on my mower and I don't hear anything except for music, which is what you want. So these are fantastic. Oh, another thing, the telescoping. It goes in and out really smooth and really stiff. These, you can't get it out. Absolute junk, guys. This is junk on DHgate. Be super careful shopping on those websites. Again, whether it's Alibaba or DHgate, those are two that are well known for selling fake. Another thing, it's not even Bluetooth. What the heck? It's got a port where you have to plug in your phone or whatever you're listening on from, laptop, whatever. It's not even Bluetooth, guys. Fake, 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 fake. Hate it. Irritates the heck out of me. 80 bucks. I want my money back. But I want you to know, these are all over Facebook Marketplace this year, and that's how I found out about it, actually, as I went on to Facebook Marketplace looking for gifts, and I found a bunch of these for 250 bucks, and I thought, man, that's half of what a new pair costs. I said, how are they doing that? And I kind of searched around, and I found out that they are fake, and they're everywhere, guys. Be careful, and not just these big Apple AirPod Maxes, but also the little pods are really faked out too. A lot this year. You can get them for like 25 bucks everywhere. They're fake, guys. It's too good to be true. It probably is not true, even though there are tons of Black Friday deals out there. And I'll just tell you right now, I've seen some fake merchandise electronics sneak their way onto Amazon. They don't always catch it, especially if it's not in their warehouse. So if it ships directly from the seller, there's a lot of fake stuff up on there, guys, a lot of illegal stuff on there. So I want you to be super cautious with what you buy. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you guys out, that just letting you know, electronics, a lot of electronics are being faked this year, and this is a huge deal right here, guys. This is a big difference between these two headphones. Massive difference. Yeah, a lot cheaper, but they're not gonna, there's no noise canceling. I can barely hear the music on this. This, really good controls, connects directly with your phone, works really, really good. So I just want to make sure that you guys know that there are a ton of fakes out there. That's all this video is about, guys. Fakes all over the market right now. If you want to know more fakes, I found about 10 different products that I've noticed right off the bat that are being faked this year. Another big one is laptops. A lot of people are selling fake MacBook Pro laptops. They're everywhere. They're fake. Guys, if they're selling for $300 brand new, come on. Don't be silly. You know better. Fake. That's all I got to say. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks. Bye. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, do us a favor, just hit that thumbs up right down below this video. Share this video with those that you think would like this as well, and don't forget to subscribe. We have tons of videos on this channel just like this, so make sure you check those out as well. Thanks again, everybody. Bye.